Hey boo, did you miss me? What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Nicole Washington, and I am back because I want to show you some of my recent DIY designs, and also I'd love to show you how I style them. So first, a quick moment for my bodysuit. I know I made this, but this is my favorite bodysuit. I made this from scratch using cotton jersey fabric, and then I used bleach to paint all of the designs on here. And as you can see, I styled it with this denim skirt. You know what's so funny about this skirt situation? I got it from Free People and it's too tiny. It's too tiny to button all the way down. And so I was like, you know what? Let me just shift this to the side and button it once and have like a side slit situation because I didn't want to take it back. They didn't have any more. I made it work. I am always down for a style hack. I am always down for a pin, shift to the side situation. I am good for that. I'm really excited about this bodysuit because it's a style that I have repeated in a two-piece set and in a dress. Let me show you. The two-piece set that I made, also using cotton jersey fabric, just like I did with this bodysuit, and also the bleach paint method. And you can see on the sides, there are these super sexy cutouts. It's bodycon, fits super snug and sexy, and it is a floor length skirt. And on top, a cropped tube top. And if you look closely, there are faces in here. If you don't know, I'm a visual artist. If you go to my website, nicholawola.com, that's Nicole with an H, Nichole, you can kind of see the style of my artwork. I have a lot of symbols in my art, but I also really love to make faces. And I was like, oh, that would be so dope. And you can see some of the faces have earrings. Some have like really cool hairstyles. Some have no hair at all. Let me show you how I style it. Have this bodycon dress, cotton jersey fabric using the bleach dye method. And then for this one, I just added a lot of really cool symbols and designs. Honestly, I painted super intuitively. It's my favorite part of making a design is just allowing the design of the garment tell me how it wants to be painted and finished. Just so you know, if you check out some of my other videos in the DIY section, I actually go through and show you how I make some of my designs. This specific dress is not there, but I will say this dress is for sale on my website. If you go to nicolewashington.com/shop, again, that's Nicole with an H, Nichole, Washington.com/shop, you can find some of my DIY designs for sale for really great prices. Let me show you how I style this baddie. Last design is this super cute short sleeve bodycon dress in scarlet red. And you know what's really cool is this started out as a white cotton jersey fabric. I used a dress that I owned previously to make the pattern, which is what I do with most of my designs. Like I use a dress or a bodysuit to make the pattern because I know like, okay, I like the way that this fits. So I want to duplicate the frame of that. And then I made the dress, I sewed the dress together and I dyed it. I hand dyed this dress and then I got a fabric crayon and just made some scribble designs. And also, I used fabric spray paint and it has a zipper. The last dress also had a zipper. I love to put a zipper on my dresses, especially when they fit really tight because I don't want to have to struggle putting my stuff on. There's two slits up the side, so it's very comfortable to walk in. Let me show you how I style it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments, or if you have any suggestions on what I should make next time. I love sharing with you guys. If you have any tips or tricks that we can share as a community in the comments, I would also love that, because I'm also looking to learn and grow. I just started sewing a couple of years ago, so there's always new things for me to explore. I hope I have sparked some creativity and you guys feel like you want to make stuff too. Please check the show notes, because I have a link where you can shop my DIY tools, anything from a sewing machine to straight pins to fabric chalk. It's all there. I also have a link again to my DIY shop and my fashion blog. And also like and subscribe. I want to see you guys again. I want to grow community. So please come back. All right, y'all. Have a good one.